guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very exciting one. I have a Shein fall clothing haul. I feel like that's so hard to say for some reason. I ordered a bunch of stuff from them and I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys. It's mostly like fall themed, which is really exciting. It's finally starting to get chilly, so I'm really excited to be incorporating all of this stuff into my fall wardrobe. And I've done Shein hauls in the past, so I'll go ahead and link some of those if you guys are interested in watching. But this one is one, my biggest haul, and two, my favorite one. I just feel like I've had the most success with all of these things. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know what Shein is, but basically it's very like cheap clothing, so it could definitely be hit or miss with the material or the way that it fits. You're not getting quality stuff by any means, but for like trendy stuff, I think it's the best way to kind of play around with your style or get something that maybe you wouldn't normally get. Also, this is a try on haul, which I know that you guys love, because if you're interested in ordering any of these things, you can see how they actually fit on a real person rather than just like their stock photos that they have on the website. So I'll go ahead and try everything on for you guys, and then I'll also tell you the price that I got them for. Also, if you guys are going to be ordering from them, it's definitely better to do a big order because they always have like discount codes, and when I ordered my stuff, I got like $40 off because it was 40 off of 170 or more, which is still a ton of money, but I got I think about 12 things. So it really only averages out to about like $10 after the discount per item. So obviously that's way more affordable than a lot of the places that I like to shop, like J. Crew or Loft or something like that. Also, this video is not sponsored. I paid for everything with my own money and ordered them on my own and everything, and I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know that a lot of you love these videos or are curious about Shein. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing that I want to show you guys is actually the sweater that I'm wearing right now. So it's this gray turtleneck. I'm gonna go into my account on Shein so that I can tell you guys what size I got everything in, and then also how much I paid for them. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. This sweater that I'm wearing right now was a one size item, so that's actually most of the reason why I was curious about buying it, because in my opinion, one size does not fit all. I have been cuffing up the sleeves whenever I wear it, but obviously you don't have to. It's really soft. I was nervous that it was gonna be scratchy or anything, but it's actually a really thick material. Like, this is a sweater that's actually gonna keep me warm in the winter, and I just love the way that it fits. It has the turtleneck, but it's not like suffocating, which is really nice. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like if you don't have it folded down. So it's not a very tall turtleneck, but this is really cozy. Even if I were to just wear this with like leggings or something around the house, it looks really cute, but it also looks really nice styled with like boots and jeans and everything. So this I definitely recommend. I ended up getting this for $19.79, so it's definitely on the pricier side of the things that I've ordered, but I definitely think that it's worth the money because it actually feels like it's, you know, a nice sweater, like I said. The next thing is this tweed dress that I'm obsessed with. It has the short sleeves, and then it has the pocket. They're not real pockets, but it has the look of them, and then those big like jeweled buttons, which I think are really cute, and then it has a fringe hem on the bottom and then also on the pockets. It's like a fuchsia pink color, more of a periwinkle blue, orange, and black, but from further away it just kind of gives like a purpley look. Obviously this will be good for warmer fall days, and I think this would be really easy to style either with flats and then like a jacket if it's a little bit cooler, or with boots or something, you know, for like Thanksgiving. So that's kind of how I was envisioning this. My grandma said that it looks like something she would have worn in the 70s, so there's that, but I just think it's really cute. And this one I got for, let's see, $17.32. So this next item is going to be really hard to show you guys because it's a midi dress, but it's a wrap one with short sleeves, and I got this because I love the colors in it. I got this dress and then the next one that I'm going to show you guys as more of like a transitional piece for going into fall, but here in Pittsburgh we literally went from like 80 degrees to 40 degrees in a matter of 2 days, so I didn't really get a chance to wear stuff like this. So I'm hoping that we get some warmer fall days because I just think the colors are so pretty, but it has the like fluttery sleeves that are more feminine, and then it wraps. I know it's like kind of open right now like a robe, but it wraps and then like you can tie it, which is really pretty. And then this one has more of like, I think it's called a tulip hem, so it wraps around, but it kind of goes like up where the two sides of the dress meet, if that makes any sense. So the only thing that I was concerned about with this dress is that because it goes up a little bit at the slit, depending on how you walk, sometimes it opens up a little too much. So I'm gonna put a little snap button on mine just to keep it closed so that when I'm walking or sitting or whatever, it doesn't open up. But obviously, depending on how that fits you, you might not need to do anything like that. So this dress I got for $13.19, which is super cheap. It's definitely a thinner material, but it's not see-through or anything. So I'm obsessed with this color, and I just think this is very feminine and pretty. This next dress that I got is another wrap dress, but this one is bright yellow, and I think this is so fun. And this one I feel like I could wear fall, spring, or summer, and it would be acceptable for like any season. But I just really like this golden color, especially for fall. So you can't really tell from further away, but this pattern on it is navy and white. It's not black. And then on the sleeves it has a little slit. And then this one is nice because the tie doesn't actually wrap all the way around the dress. It just has like the little pieces of fabric that you can tie together. So this one doesn't have that like tulip hem that I was talking about, so this one stays closed just fine. I wish that it had a little bit more of a flattering hemline. You'll see it's just like super straight across. I just feel like the way that it hits is a little bit more matronly almost. I think that's the best word I can use to describe it. So this dress was $11.54, so freaking cheap. And I don't really wear much yellow, so I thought this would be a good piece to buy. And then this next sweater is the one that I was wearing in my 1-year update video. I got a lot of questions about it. So it's this really pretty light mauve color, and this one has like the crisscross. When I'm not wearing it, obviously just holding it like this, it like falls open, but whenever I'm wearing it, it stays closed. The only thing about this is that it's a little bit more cropped than I was expecting it to be, but when I wear it with high-waisted jeans, it like meets at my jeans, so I'm not really a midriff type person. So as long as I wear it with something a little bit more high-waisted, I think it's fine. And this one's a little bit of a lighter sweater, which is really nice for more of like a transitional sweater to wear. So then this next thing is the only thing I bought that I think I'm gonna be returning, and it's this like overall dress thing that's army green. When I bought it, I thought that it would be like super cute to wear with like a striped shirt and my hunter boots or something, but I just really don't think it's my style. The other thing is that the straps are like way too long, so if I did wear this, I would have to like shorten the strap a couple inches. You guys will see like in the try on clip, but I just don't know if it's worth it to keep something that I have to change that much. This is only $9.07, so obviously like I'm not breaking the bank with it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think after seeing it on me and everything. Let me know if you guys think I should keep it and try styling it, or if you agree with me that it's just like not my style. And then this next dress is definitely one of my favorite things I ordered. It just has this really pretty sort of like a boho-y print on it. It's this bright red and orange and just neutral pattern that I think is so pretty and so fun for fall. I wore it the one day on my Instagram story with my long Kendra Scott necklace, and I just think it's so pretty, and it has the big sleeves, which is awesome, but I get caught on doorknobs when I wear this, so just be warned. And then this dress was $21.44, so again, a little bit on the more expensive side, but I know it's something that I'm going to be able to wear a lot, and I'm going to continue to wear. Like, it's not going to go out of style. It's just a really pretty fall dress. And then this is the last clothing item that I purchased. I have a couple more like accessory things to show you guys. It's this like burnt brick red type color shirt with the polka dots. It has like these really pretty flowy sleeves, and then it has this tie for the waist, so it's super flattering. But I tried it on the one day and I loved it, so I wore it for like an hour, and then I wore it for breakfast the one day, and then I went to put it on and I realized that there is a hole in the like shoulder area in the back, and I didn't notice it when I first bought it, and I don't think that I ripped it. So I'm really hoping that they're able to exchange it for a new one, because this is one of my favorite things that I ordered. I love the way it fits and looks and everything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try exchanging it. So the rest of the things that I have are more accessory type things. So I got one pair of shoes, and I'm obsessed with them. They're these loafers. They're like this dark rosy color, and I just think that they're so cute because they're pink. They're something different, but I still think they're pretty neutral and easy to style. I wore them with ripped jeans and then this gray sweater the other day, and it looked so cute. So I was kind of nervous to order these because normally I'm closer to like a 9.5 or a 10 in women's, and these ones are are a 9, but they were sold out of the 10s, so I took a chance and these fit perfectly. You can definitely tell that they're a little bit cheaper made, but they were only $14.84, so for a pair of shoes that cheap that I ordered online, I'm, you know, like totally content with it. And then I ordered 2 scarves. I haven't even taken them out of the plastic yet, so let me go ahead and do that. So this is what the first scarf looks like. It's just the black and tan plaid print. I thought that this one would be better for like fall and winter, and it has more of a classic style to it. And then this is the blue and white floral one. So the blue and white one was $3.30, and then this one was only $2.47. If you were to go to like J. Crew or Loft or something, you'd be spending at least like $20 or $30 on a scarf like this. So definitely check out Shein. I know that they had a ton to pick from, so I had a really hard time choosing these two. And I definitely think that I'll be ordering more from them in the future. And then the last things that I ordered were a little bit random, but I got these hair ties. They were $165, but I brought one of my actual Invisibobble hair ties to compare them because I love the Invisibobble ones, but it's like, it's either $6 or $9 for a 3-pack. So they're super, super expensive. And I've heard a lot of people say that the like knockoff ones aren't as nice. So I was just kind of curious, and I was like $1 away from getting that like $40 off, like I said earlier. So I wanted to go ahead and do a little comparison. So off the bat, I can tell that the Invisibobble one is a little bit tighter and this one's a little bit like stretchier. Also, the material that it's made out of is thicker on the fake one, so I don't know if it's going to like leave a crease in my hair, because the whole point of the Invisibobble is that your hair goes like in between all of the different like grooves in it so that it doesn't crease your hair. So hopefully this one does a good job as well. And the Invisibobble ones are good at going back to like their original shape, and this one feels like it's gonna get like stretched out a little bit easier. I guess I'll just go ahead and put one in my hair right now to see what it feels like. So it feels nice. It actually feels just like the Invisibobble ones do when they're in my hair. I know that they're not the cutest thing, but I think that they're more comfortable, and obviously like if I take the time to curl my hair, I don't want it to get messed up super easily. Yeah, I think that these are gonna be just fine. But like I said, I literally only ordered them because I was like $1 away from free shipping. So that is actually everything that I bought. I spent about $130, which I know is a lot of money to be spending, but for the amount of stuff that I got, I'm super happy with everything. I've been ordering from Shein for probably about 1.5 years now, and I have definitely seen so much improvement in their website and their ordering process and just like my whole experience in that time frame. Like I remember my first order took at least a month to come in, and I didn't like a lot of the stuff. The materials were weird and like they didn't fit well. And then this order literally only took like 4 or 5 days to get to me. So obviously that's a huge difference, and I'm so happy with everything. And like I said, I just feel like it's a really good way to try out some trendy things or items that you wouldn't typically spend your money on. So I definitely recommend shopping their website. I think it's really important to read the reviews before you purchase anything. Also, everything that I ordered, except for the sweater that I have on now that was just a 1 size item, everything else I got in a size small. And I definitely think that they're pretty consistent with their sizing, but they do put the measurements for each individual item because it's not as consistent as like a name brand store. So definitely pay attention to the reviews and the sizing measurements that they have for each individual item. But other than that, like they accept returns, so even if you get something that you don't love, you know, it's not like a lifelong commitment or anything like that. So I'm super happy with everything, and I hope that you guys found this video helpful. But if you guys have any other questions like about my experience or about one of the items, go ahead and just leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer them or be as helpful as possible. So thank you guys for watching this. Also, if you guys like the makeup that I'm wearing, stay tuned because I filmed a fall makeup look before I sat down to film this video. So I'm so excited to be posting fall videos like this. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss that makeup video once it comes out. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do more clothing videos or Shein reviews or anything like that, or if there are any other websites that you guys think it would be fun for me to do a haul and a review on. That is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will go ahead and talk to you in my next one. Bye!